Hey guys, Jignesh Jain here. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great. And in this particular video, we'll be talking about, or say we'll be checking whether the application which is running around on the net or and other YouTube channel works or not. Yeah, the new Samsung Health app, which can be downloaded as an APK and and can be installed on our Xiaomi phones. Yeah, this is Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro, which I am using right now as a daily driver due to some other issues. So I am using this as a daily driver right now, and I have downloaded the Health app, and I want to test, or say we'll be testing whether the heart rate which has been monitored directly from the phone. Yeah, this phone doesn't have any type of heart rate monitor sensor or anything like that, nor it has been monitored directly by my Galaxy Wear watch or Galaxy Gear Sport. Simultaneously, I also have the Samsung Health app paired with my Galaxy watch. Yeah, this is paired with my Galaxy watch, and we'll be comparing the heartbeat ratios with both watch and with the monitoring which it has done with the sensor. Yeah, physical sensors which are not the heart rate sensor, mind it. So let's see, we have an option to directly measure the heart rate, and it says that please use your fingers to completely block the camera and flash that for detection. So basically it doesn't use any type of the heart rate sensor. It just uses our camera flash and the camera section itself. So let's see, does it gives a correct type of response, or say the correct readings or not. So I have compared these readings which was been taken earlier along with the Samsung Health app. So basically, as you can see in the Health app itself, this was the reading taken on, say it was on 2107. So basically it was taken around this time, and it shows a reading of 94 beats per minute. So basically this reading shows 94 beats per meter, and we have Samsung Health app which is obviously connected via Gear Sport, as you can see here, syncing with the Gear Sport. So you can see that it's connected to my Gear Sport, and the last calculation which was done was on 9:07 p.m. itself. So it showed 92 beats per minute, and mind it has an heart rate sensor on my Galaxy watch. So you can see both of this, the test reports, one is showing 92 and one is showing 94 on the same minute. Maybe the difference is very less, but you can see the correct measurement is not possible on this Health app. You will basically need an Gear Sport or some heart rate sensor monitor for getting the correct heartbeat. But yeah, you can check the heart rate if you want to, and if you think that it would be helpful, because this application is just an APK. You can install it and you don't need any Gear Sport or any type of heart rate monitor application. So this was it, guys. This video is particularly made to make people aware that don't rely on this such type of things. The heart rate sensor can be monitored only via the heart rate sensors. So that's it, guys. Take care, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe.